This is lecture number 12. Again, continue further problem on diagonalization of state model. How to diagonalize any of this given state standard model into the canonical form. So, third numerical on same topic, numerical number third. Convert system, convert given system into canonical form. So, it is given that A is equal to 0, 3, 12, 1, 0, minus 7, 0, 2, minus 6. B matrix given that directly 2, 3, 5. C matrix is equal to 1, 1 and 2. Now, solution for such type of the numerical for canonical form. First of all, we have to calibrate lambda I minus A is equal to, what is the lambda I for 3 by 3 A matrix? Lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda minus, what is the A matrix? 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 2 and 12 minus 7 minus 6. So, what is the value of lambda I minus A? So, lambda I minus A is equal to finally lambda minus 1, 0, minus 3, lambda minus 2, 12 minus 7 plus 12 and minus plus 7 and this is again 6. So this is the lambda I minus A. So this is the lambda plus 6. Okay. Now next, for characteristics equation, equate that given lambda I minus A is equal to with respect to 0. So we are getting here final equation lambda cube plus 6 lambda square plus 14 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 18 plus 24 is equal to 0. So finally lambda cube plus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation, characteristic equation. So after solve above equation in calculator, so we are getting eigenvalue or roots of the above equation, that is lambda 1 is equal to minus 1, lambda 2 is equal to minus 2 and lambda 3 is equal to minus 3 here getting. Now आता याच्यामध्ये बघा लॅम्बडाची व्हॅल्यू डिफरंट आहे. Similarly given a value is not a normal a value because remaining a value has the normally some elements are 1, but in this case 0, 3, 12, 1, 0, minus 7, 0, 2, minus 6. This is a normal a matrix, not a special case a matrix. That means this is the case number 3. So unequal or different eigenvalue and a is the suppose is in the form of the all number. Suppose all values are present, all numbers are present in place of the 0 and 1. So in this case, this is the case number 3 because a matrix case number a 3 मध्ये चालला आहे case because of a matrix मुळे. So case number 3 is in the case according to case number 3. What is the model matrix? Model matrix is equal to m1, m2 and m3. What is mean by m1? m1 is the first model matrix column, that is we are here getting c11, c12, c13 when lambda is equal to put lambda is equal to lambda 1, that is mean by lambda 1 किती आहे -1. So how to calculate m1? m1 कसं calculate करणार? c11, c12, c13 म्हणजे काय बघा. व्हॉट इज बाय C11? C11 म्हणजे आता जसं आता आपण ए मॅट्रिक्स जर बघितला, सपोज वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट फ्रॉम लॅम्बडा ए लॅम्बडा आय मायनस ए हा जर बघितला तर याच्यामध्ये हा जो C11 आहे. नाव फॉर दॅट C11 वी हॅव टू फर्स्ट इलिमिनेट दिस. नाव क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करा आता याचा क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करा तर काय भेटणार तुम्हाला इथे. सपोज इथे काय भेटणार लॅम्बडा प्लस 6 आणि याचा क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करा काय भेटणार प्लस मायनस ऑफ, कारण मायनस करतो आपण, प्लस मायनस ऑफ 14 दॅट इज प्लस हे भेटलं. सिमिलरली व्हॉट इज बाय व्हॉट इज द C12 कसं काढणार आपण. व्हॉट इज C12 काढायसाठी काय करणार C12 साठी आपण हा व्हेरिएबल घेणार. तर परत याच्यामध्ये आता हा आणि हा आता याच्यात क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल आणि याच्यात क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल. बघा काय भेटते. तर याच्यात तुम्हाला मिळणार -3 लॅम्बडा प्लस 6 मायनस ऑफ मायनस प्लस मायनस मायनस परत मायनस प्लस 24 बार 24 24 हे तुम्हाला नेक्स्ट व्हेरिएबल भेटला. नेक्स्ट म्हणजे C12 ला तुम्हाला हा भेटला. नेक्स्ट C13 म्हणजे हा व्हेरिएबल. नाउ अगेन क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन इन बिटवीन दिस and in between this. So this is the equation we are getting. Satvik equation 21 minus and minus 12 minus 12 y. So because this is the minus 12 lambda. Okay, now minus 12 lambda. नाव अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला हे भेटणार आहे. तर बघा आता M1 म्हणजे काय. C11 मध्ये काय मिळालं होतं. C11 मध्ये आपल्याला भेटलं होतं C11 मध्ये लॅम्बडा प्लस 6 प्लस 14 C12 मध्ये मिळालं होतं -3 लॅम्बडा प्लस 6 -3 लॅम्बडा प्लस 6 प्लस 24 and next मिळाला तर -12 लॅम्बडा. But put lambda is equal to lambda 1 that is -1. तर काय भेटणार तुम्हाला M1. Suppose we have to put in place of lambda is -1, then M1 is equal to first column we are here getting, that is -1 plus 6 plus 14 -3 -1 plus 6 plus 24 -12 minus 1 काय भेटणार तुम्हाला फायनली M1 is equal to. So M1 is equal to काय भेटणार 9 minus 9 minus 9. Similarly what is the M2 is equal to काय होता फॉर्म्युला केस 3 मध्ये C11 C12 C13 only in place of lambda we need to put lambda 2 that is -2. So put again काय पुट केलं तर काय भेटणार -2 plus 6 plus 14 -2 plus 6 plus 24 -21 minus 12 yes 20 21. सो फायनली M2 काय मिळणार तुम्हाला सॉल्विंग केल्यानंतर 6 12 3 आपल्याला इथं भेटला. नेक्स्ट M3 व्हेरिएबल M3 is equal to C11 C12 C13. So lambda is equal to lambda 3 is equal to -3. Put -3 above equations मध्ये -3 पुट करा तर काय भेटणार -3 plus 6 plus 14. Similarly -3 minus 3 plus 6 plus 24 minus 21 minus 12 minus 3 put केला lambda जवळ. So finally we are getting m3 is equal to 5 15 15. So this is the m3. So what is the modal matrix? So modal matrix for the case 1, m is equal to m1 m2 m3. So m1 m2 m3 ची value put करून द्या. m1 first column is 9 9 minus 9, second column 6 12 3, third column 5 15 15. So this is the m. Now m भेटला. Now next काढायचं तुम्ही m inverse. m inverse is equal to, how to calibrate m inverse? 1 by 2 minus 5 by 18 1 by 9 minus 1 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. So this is the m inverse. So finally we need to calculate lambda. That is, what is the mean by lambda? Lambda is equal to m inverse a into m. So for that we need to first calculate m inverse a. So what is the value of m inverse and a? Multiply kara matrix. So I have it 1 by 2 minus 5 by 18 minus 11 by 9 minus 2 4 by 3 10 by 3 3 by 2 minus 9 by 10 and minus 9 by 5. So lambda, what is the lambda? Lambda is equal to m inverse a into m. So multiply it. m inverse a हे आपण ऑलरेडी काढलेला, त्याला मल्टिप्लाय कशाने करायचं? m मॉडेल मॅट्रिक्सनी. तो फायनल तुम्हाला काय भेटणार? 30 minus 4 minus 20. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करायचा, डायरेक्टली आन्सर नाही भेटणार तुम्हाला. मी डायरेक्ट करून दाखवतो स्टेप्स. तर तुम्हाला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय स्वतः करायला लागेल. 108 by, this is the final answer, minus 36 by 5 and this is the 33. Now m inverse b, this is the lambda value, this is the lambda value. Now how to calculate? Next is m inverse b. Now how to calculate m inverse b? Multiply m inverse b. So m inverse b कसा भेटणार? m inverse तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, काढलेला आहे. 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 2 minus 5 by 18 2 by 3 minus 3 by 10 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So 2, what is the value of b? Given that 2 3 and 5, this is the given value. So m inverse b, finally what is the value of m inverse b? m inverse b is equal to, after multiplication, 13 by 18 minus 5 by 3 and 11 by 10. So this is the m inverse b. Now again we need calculate cm matrix. cm कैसे निकालेंगे? 1 1 2 given है. Now what is the m matrix? This is the modal matrix. 9 9 minus 9. Just wait. Now cm matrix, what is the cm matrix? cm मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर काय भेटणार? cm is equal to, what is the cm? cm ची व्हॅल्यू मल्टिप्लिकेशन नंतर मिळेल 0 24 and 70. Okay, now what is the state model representation? State model representation काय इक्वेशन? For z dat is equal to lambda z plus m inverse bu. So represent here. What is the z dat? 3 variables are there: z1 dot, z2 dot, z3 dot. is equal to what is the lambda? Lambda ची value calculate केली ते put करा. 13 minus 4 minus 20 minus 36 14 16. Similarly, 108 by 5 minus 36 by 5 and minus 33. Now, then Z1, Z2, Z3 plus what is the M inverse B? M inverse B put करा था 13 by 18 minus 5 by 3 and 11 by 10 U. So this is the Z matrix. Now, similarly, what is the output? Y is equal to Cm into Z plus du, where d is not present, not given. So y is equal to Cmz. What is the Cm matrix? Y is equal to, calculated Cm is equal to 0, 24 and 70 into what is the Z matrix? Z1, Z2, Z3. So this is the final answer. This is the required answer. This is the final required answer for, and this is the representation, canonical form representation of the given numerical. In this way, we have to solve case number 3 numerical. Why this is the case number 3 numerical? कारण याच्यामध्ये normal A जो matrix दिलेला आहे, that matrix have the maximum variables are not a 0 and 1. So that's why this is the A matrix. So just wait.